Welcome to Kuber Consultancy Services. So today we are going to see about individual PAN. So how we can apply through Kuber Consultancy Services website. So first you can go to kuberconsultancyservices.com. After that you can see the number of categories which we are providing through our website. So services categories, and you can see everything. So you can go for individuals. For individuals we are going to apply for a PAN. So in that you can see the services which we are providing to the individuals. In that you can click this Kuber's individual PAN express services. So when you click the services, so you can see how it will work. So this is the pricing, so you can see everything. So from this, if you click how it is work, it will take to the YouTube video, so which you are seeing now. Okay, so after that you can see the plans which we are providing. So first one is apply for a new PAN, so or correction for a new PAN. Okay, so and after that you can see the additional services which we are providing through our website for this individual services itself. So you can as you can add the additional services, the additional text boxes will open. So you can fill the details according to that. So if you want to provide the details of any services including additional services after paying or consulting, so you can give us, I will provide after consultation or paying for services. So then if you add any additional services also, so there will be no text boxes to enter your services. So if you click on this, so it will ask a few details. So you can enter the you can select as much as additional services you need. So after that you can enter the descriptions as we are requiring from you. So after that you can check these boxes also, so you can read, and after that you can upload the files so which required for this kind of this type of services. So you can upload it here. So after that you can add it to the cart and you can proceed. So before we filling for a demo transaction, so demo service, so we can go through the other parts of the this page, so this service page. So you can see the purpose, so introduction of the PAN, so why PAN is important, and you can see the where and all PAN is required, and you can see the various ways to apply for the PAN, so how we can apply, and what are the documents required for apply for the PAN, and correction or update of the PAN. So like that you can see the every details. So in that we will update it regularly, so based on the changes in the official government portals. Okay, so after that you can see the reviews which our customers who purchased through our website so has given. So based on that, so you can give the rating, so you can add images, photos, videos, so anything you can add. So and third is the process. So process is nothing but, so what is Kuber Consultancy Services will do for your PAN process, so PAN application process or collection process. So what we will do, so that is the process which we have mentioned here. Okay, so and for notes, so for your clarification, so no one will call you personally or WhatsApp you for details. So we will either ask you through our app messenger. so which you can get it from here itself. So um, otherwise we will uh, contact you through our official WhatsApp number. So WhatsApp number is this one, so 944 599 4630. So this is our official WhatsApp number. So from this only we will contact, so we will not contact you from any other personal number or any other mode. So for to contact you for details, so don't give. So if anyone call other than our WhatsApp number or through our app messenger, okay. So this is for your note. So after that you can see the documents required for application of the PAN. So what are the documents and all required, so you can see. And so for that additional services which we are providing here, so you can see the description. So what for trademark registration, so what additional services we are providing, so like that you can see it here, okay. So and the FAQ part is, so for a quick summary of the description, so which we have added is as a question and answers. So you can see, so if you have any doubt, so you can see the FAQs, you can get clarified from this. So every services we have are having around 10 to 15 FAQs, so it will be useful for you, I think so. So apart from that, you can if you want any other part to be answered, so you can ask a question in Q&A session. So you can ask your question, so you can enter your mobile number and name and email ID, so that we will reply it here and we will add it in the FAQ also. After that, so we will update you through your mail, so regarding your FAQ, okay. So after that you can see the refer and earn. So this will be if you log in your website, so you can see, so you can see the coupon codes, so which you can share with your friends, family members or relatives or anyone. So if they apply your coupon, so they will get a 5% discount, and you will also get a 5% discount coupon, so which you can also use it for another purchases, so in our another service purchases in our website, okay. So this you can see, so this is our overall website. So now we are going to add some we can fill it. For example, we will select all the all the services, so MSME and essential plan, so on professional plan. So for this, so we will add it in additional services, so we are adding it in additional services. So apart from that, if you want to see, so you can see in Indian business registration. So in this you can see the sole proprietorship or registration. So in that you can select the plans, so and you can see the services included in our so after that you can add. So either you can add it through here or you can add it in another services, so more than one services in cart, so you can add it either way. So let's example, so we will select for a new PAN and we will enter the demo, so demo content, so name of the business, as we have selected MSME sole proprietorship trade name, so it is asked for the business name, so demo limited. So we will, and so demo, so you can add the address, so as long as possible, so you can add anything. So example, we will enter the pin code and address. So for the name of the trademark, so why it's asking means, so if we have selected the trademark registration services, so that it will ask for the this one. So and you can add so your mobile number and demo. So this one, so nature of business is for sole proprietorship MSME. So for this it is asking, so you can enter as demo product trading. So like we can add it here. So after that, so if you are giving rental agreement, so it's asking for sole proprietorship registrations. So if you are giving, you can give it as yes. So and you can upload the files here. So if you are not giving, you can mention it as I will upload. So I will give it as yes, and we will upload the files here. So we have attached the files here. So and you can see the so I will extract it as here. So you can add the images. So and after that you can add it to cart. So after add it to cart, you can see here. So and you can view the cart from here. So and it will take, and it will be giving you the whole summary. So additional services which you have selected, so everything it will be added here, and your details like name of the business, so which you have provided here. So everything it will be here. So on file uploads also, everything it will be here. So and you can add your coupon code if you have any. So for this, and we have a foundation also. So if you want to donate, so that the children can we can feed the needy child. So you can add 5 rupees or 10 rupees or anything. So if you don't want to, you can click it as no thanks. So and it will be here. So here and taxes. So it will be added taxes here. So and you can see the total amount payable. So and after that you can go to the proceed to checkout. So and it will be take to the checkout page. So here your business details to invoice for these services. So you can either copy from here and you can paste it here, and you can here also you can see the amount of donation if you want to give, and you can create a user account here itself, so that it will be useful to track your services. So it is required from your site, so to create an account, because it's a services. So you want to track the status of the services, so you need to add it here. So and so our contribution to the society is, so we donate 10% of this fees amount. So if you are paying 18,000, so then you 10% of every order will be donated to the Aksha Foundation to use it for the needy child. So after that you can select this both, and you can give for the subscribe now, and it will be taken to the payment gateways, or you can pay. So after that, so after you paying for these services, so we will contact you if any further details is required. So like you have checkbox this here. So we will contact you. So if any additional details is required, and we will regularly update you about your services. Okay. So apart from this, if you don't have an idea, so like how I can do this, so you if you don't have an idea, you want to consult with us, so you can give the get consult. So it will take to the WhatsApp. So you can WhatsApp us, and you can chat with us. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.